In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear history on Brave Browser. By the end, you'll know exactly how to remove your browsing history quickly and confidently, which is helpful for protecting your privacy, decluttering your browser, or starting fresh when things feel a bit sluggish. First, open the Brave browser. Make sure the window you want to work in is active so the menus and options appear where you expect them. Brave looks a lot like other modern browsers, so if you're switching over from something else, this will feel familiar. Next, look to the upper right corner of the browser window for the menu icon. It's the three horizontal lines, sometimes called the hamburger menu. Click that to open the main menu. This is where Brave keeps most of its settings and tools, and it's the quickest way to get to the history controls you need. From the menu, click on History. This opens your browsing history view, listing the sites you visited. Think of this as the record Brave keeps to help you quickly return to pages. If you're clearing it for privacy, shared device use, or just to tidy things up, you're in the right place. In the History view, click on Delete Browsing Data. This is the command that removes the stored information related to your browsing activity. When you choose this option, Brave prepares to clear items like visited pages, cached images and files, and other browsing records tied to this device. To finish, click on Delete from this device. This confirms that you want the data removed locally. After you click, Brave will clear the selected history from the browser on your current device. Keep in mind that once you do this, those entries are gone from the history list here, and you won't be able to use the back button or history search to revisit them. If you're signed into services in your tabs, you might notice you're asked to log in again on some sites after clearing, which is normal when data tied to your session is removed. That's all there is to it. You opened Brave, used the menu in the top right to get to history, selected delete browsing data, and confirmed with delete from this device. It's a simple routine that's good to do periodically, especially on a shared computer or when you want a clean slate. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any part of this guide while you follow along.